What was the first thing you did this morning? Be honest. Did you grab your phone? Did you hit the snooze button for the third time? Did you roll out of bed, already feeling like you're 5 steps behind? For most of us, our morning isn't something we choose. It's something that just happens to us. We wake up, and the world immediately starts screaming for our attention. Emails, notifications, news, problems. We start our day playing defense, reacting to everything that's thrown at us. We're like a ship leaving the harbor without a rudder, just letting the currents of the day push us wherever they want. And we wonder why we feel so drained by lunchtime. We wonder why we feel so unfocused and overwhelmed. But what if I told you that the first 60 minutes of your day don't have to be an accident? What if those first few moments could be your secret weapon? A tool so powerful that it sets the direction for the next 23 hours, putting you back in the captain's chair. Stay with me, because we're not just going to talk about a morning routine. We're going to build one that you'll actually want to do. When I say morning routine, what pops into your head? I bet it's something extreme. Waking up at 4 a.m., a freezing cold ice bath running 10 miles, all before the sun comes up. We see these perfect routines online and we think, that's what success looks like. This is the superhero myth, and it's the biggest reason why most people fail. Let me tell you about Saad. Saad was just like us. He wanted to get ahead in life, so he decided to copy the routine of a CEO he saw online. Alarm set for 4:30 a.m. day 1. He woke up, felt miserable, drank a weird green juice, tried to meditate but just thought about work, and then felt exhausted by 9 a.m. Day 2 was even worse. By day 3 he'd quit, telling himself, I'm just not a morning person. I guess I'm not built for success. Saad's problem wasn't a lack of discipline. His problem was that he was trying to climb Mount Everest in his shorts. He failed because he believed the lie that a morning routine has to be punishing. The truth is, a routine built on punishment makes your brain see the morning as a threat. The moment your alarm goes off, your stress hormone, cortisol, spikes. You start the day already in fight or flight mode. That's not a routine. That's a recipe for burnout. The real purpose of a morning routine is the exact opposite. It's simple: to start your day with a win, a small personal victory that proves to yourself that you are in control. It's about shifting your brain from a reactive, stressed-out state to a calm, proactive one. Instead of a rigid list of tasks, I want you to think about a simple, flexible framework. I call it the mind, body, and soul framework. The goal is to do one tiny thing to activate each of these 3 areas. Mind, you need to wake up your focus. This is about gently guiding your brain. By doing something that requires a little bit of thought, you're telling your brain, okay, it's time to shift into gear. This stops you from wasting your best mental energy on small, useless decisions first thing in the morning. Body, you need to wake up your physical self. Your body has been dormant for hours. A small physical action sends a powerful signal to every cell that it's time to power on. It breaks the cycle of sleepiness and gets your energy flowing, literally changing your body's chemistry from tired to awake. So this isn't about religion, it's about connection. You need to do something that grounds you and connects you to yourself before you connect with the rest of the world. This is your anchor. In a world that's constantly pulling you in a million directions, this is the moment you pull back. That's it. Mind, body, soul. It's not a checklist. It's a strategy to win your inner game first. Part 4, your actual routine. The rule of 3. This is where it gets practical. We're going to use the rule of 3. You're going to pick just one tiny action from each category, and you're going to commit to doing each one for just 5 minutes. That's it. A 15-minute routine that is impossible to fail. Here are some ridiculously easy examples. No ice baths, I promise. For your mind, choose one. The power question. Write down what would make today a win, and just answer it in one sentence. The 5-minute journal. Don't write a novel. Just write down 3 things you're looking forward to. Learn one thing. Use an app like Duolingo to learn one new word in another language, or watch a 5-minute educational video on YouTube. For your body, choose one. The sunshine rule. Before you look at a screen, look out the window at the sky for 60 seconds. Natural light is the most powerful signal to your brain to wake up. The hydration habit. Drink a full glass of water before you have coffee. You're dehydrated after sleeping. Coffee on a dehydrated system is like trying to start a car with no oil. The 5-minute mover. Put on a song you love and just move. Dance, stretch, do jumping jacks. Anything to get the blood flowing. For your soul, choose one. The gratitude anchor. Don't just think about what you're grateful for. Say it out loud. I'm grateful for this cup of coffee. Saying it makes it real. The no phone zone. Create a small space, a single chair in your room, where for the first 5 minutes of your day, you just sit. No phone, no laptop, just you. The look back. Think of one good thing that happened yesterday. A small win, a nice conversation. Start your day by remembering you've already had successes. See how easy that is? We're not trying to conquer the world. We're just trying to win the first 15 minutes. The goal here isn't intensity, it's consistency. Part 5, the golden rule. What to do when you fail. Now for the most important part. What happens when you wake up late, or you're sick, or you just don't feel like it? This is where most people give up. But we're going to have a safety net, the no 0 days rule. The rule is this: you are not allowed to do nothing. You must do something, no matter how small. Don't have 15 minutes. Fine, just do 5. Drink your water and do a quick stretch. That's a win. Don't have 5 minutes? Fine, just do 1. Stand up, take 3 deep breaths, and think of one thing you're grateful for. That's a win. A morning routine is not a chain. If you break it one day, you haven't failed. It's a muscle. Some days the workout will be great, and some days you'll just go through the motions. But as long as you do something, you are still making progress. Progress, not perfection. That's the key. Part 6. Own your morning, own your life. So what is the power of a morning routine? It's not about becoming a productivity machine. It's about starting your day with intention. It's about proving to yourself, first thing in the morning, that you are in charge of your life. That small feeling of control, that first tiny win, creates a ripple effect that will carry you through your entire day. It builds confidence. It reduces anxiety. It gives you a solid foundation so that when the chaos of the day hits, it can't knock you over. Stop letting your mornings be an accident. Start your day on purpose. If this video gave you a new perspective, do me a favor and hit that like button. And for more practical guides on taking back control of your life, make sure you subscribe.